And Nvidia's RTX 50 series is almost here, promising insane power, but the RTX 5060 Ti's 8GB model is getting roasted. Want the truth on these GPUs? Stick with GadInsider. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Nvidia's RTX 50 series, powered by the Blackwell architecture, is set to drop in 2025 with massive upgrades, but leaks reveal a controversial 8GB RTX 5060 Ti that's sparking debates. Let's unpack the leaks, the drama, and what these GPUs mean for gamers. Nvidia's RTX 50 series is shaping up to be a beast. Leaks from Zotac and Inno3D confirm the lineup: RTX 5090 with 32GB GDDR7 and 21,760 CUDA cores, RTX 5080 with 16GB GDDR7, and RTX 5070 Ti and 5070 hitting in February. The flagship RTX 5090 could be 60-70% faster than the 4090 thanks to DLSS 4's AI-powered multi-frame generation. Says 2025, kicking off January 7th, is where Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang will likely unveil the RTX 5090 and 5080, with sales starting late January. RTX 5070 and 5070 Ti follow in February, and RTX 5060 Ti and 5060 hit in March. The RTX 5060 Ti is causing a stir. Leaks show two versions, a 16GB model and an 8GB model with 4,608 CUDA cores and 128-bit GDDR7. But posts on X are slamming the 8GB version, with one review claiming the 16GB model is up to 589% faster in 1% low FPS, and 60 say 8GB VRAM is outdated for 2025's demanding games like GTA 6. Users compare it to the GTX 1060, which had 6GB in 2016, and argue lags behind even the RTX 3080 from 2 generations ago. Nvidia's been accused of pushing reviewers to focus on the 16GB model to dodge the backlash. So, should you jump on the RTX 50 series? The RTX 5090 is rumored at $1,999.00, RTX 5080 at $1.20, and RTX 5060 Ti around $299.00, $400.00. If you're eyeing the 5060 Ti, skip the 8GB model. 16GB is the way to go for future-proofing. For budget gamers, the RTX 5050 with 8GB GDDR6 drops in April for $199.00, $249.00. Follow CES 2025 for official specs and check GameInsider for hands-on reviews. With high demands expected, pre-order fast or risk scalper prices like the RTX 5090's $2,700.00 leak. That's the lowdown on Nvidia's RTX 50 series, GadInsider fam. Are you hyped for the 5090 or skipping the 5060 Ti's 8GB mess? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay locked into the latest tech.